Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence number DL2176DUA. This is a straight cylinder collar. This is the DL2176. This is in a DU finish, which is bronze. So the DL2176 is a cylinder collar. It's available in two finishes. The next letter or letters are the finish. A for aluminum or DU for dark bronze. The final letter at the end is the thickness. This is the A thickness, which is the thinnest of the three in its series. The A is 157 thousandths thick. The B is 197 thousandths thick. And the C is 256 thousandths thick. That's the A. Let's take its dimensional properties. The thickness, they say, is 157. My caliper says it's 0.159. 0.159. So basically 530 seconds? Yeah, basically 530 seconds. Relatively close to that. Outside diameter, 1.387. 1.387. So that's inch and 3/8, and that matches what they're saying. And inside diameter, 1.168. 1.168 on the ID. They say that this is dark bronze. This is awfully dark. My mat on my desktop here is black. You really can't see it. It's not black, but if you called and said this is black, I wouldn't argue with you. You can tell, however, there's a faint hint of bronze, but it's awfully dark. The bottom line is it's really not going to matter. I don't think so much. Perhaps it will to you, but be mindful this is so dark that one would certainly not be penalized for arguing that it's black. So be mindful when you're ordering this. Where you're going to use a cylinder ring is you're going to use it to take up the space from the underside of the head of your cylinder, probably a mortise cylinder, but could be a rim cylinder, to the face of the door. Proper installation of this item is going to see that the item will turn on the door if you were to put your fingers on it and turn it, but not so loose that it rattles. You don't want it to rattle. The purpose of the cylinder collar beyond aesthetics is to help prevent the wrench attack from getting a wrench to the top of the door, to the outside of the cylinder, and spinning that cylinder, where you can then bypass the cylinder and manipulate the lock. That's what cylinder collars are meant to do as well, other than aesthetically filling it. And where would you need a cylinder collar, a cylinder ring like this? Well, you could have an aluminum storefront door where the ideal cylinder length could easily be 15/16 or 1 inch. But you've got an 1.1/8 cylinder for whatever reason. You might have a 6-pin cylinder in a specific keyway, and they don't make them in 1 inch length, so you've got to buy a cylinder collar, and that's where this comes in. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence, this is their part number DL2176 DU finish in an A thickness, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.